What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily. And if you are a renter, I just gotta call it what it is. Gotta call a spade a spade. If you are a renter, you are homeless. Yep, if you are a renter, you are homeless. And I'm not talking about bus bench homeless, sleeping outside at night homeless, but the reality is that you actually don't have a home, and that person who is sleeping on the bus bench has as many homes as you do. But yet here you are working hard, educated, smart, all this stuff. You have all these benefits and advantages, yet that person has as many keys to homes as you do. How crazy is that, right? Something's wrong. See, you got to stop calling it my apartment, all right? I got this nice apartment. No, you don't have an apartment. That is not your apartment. You don't own it. You're not on the deed, right? You don't. And when you tell your mind that I have an apartment, this is my apartment, then your mind stops working. It's like, oh, we safe. We good. We don't need anything. We have an apartment because she said or he said my apartment. The reality is it's not your apartment, right? Instead, we need to say I'm actually homeless. We need to tell our mind that I'm homeless, because once you tell your mind it's homeless, the number one thing that we have and need that we have as human beings is a place to live, a roof over our head. And once you tell your mind that you're homeless, then it's going to start to activate. It's going to get creative and start doing things and making moves that you haven't been making to this date. When you were sending rent out the door, literally $1,000 a month, invested at 5% for 40 years is $1.5 million. $1,000 a month, invested at 5% for 40 years is $1.5 million. You could be a millionaire, and I could guarantee you're a millionaire if you could just get on the other side of the rent equation. Instead of you paying rent to someone else was actually paying rent to you, or you didn't have any rent or mortgage whatsoever. I call that rent and mortgage freedom, all right? So if you want help with this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll teach you how to find, finance, and finalize multifamily real estate deals. Look, it's all around us. Property for sale. It's been staring us right in the face this whole entire time, but we just think it has to be some other get-rich-quick scheme. But wealth is a long-term game. Wealth is a long-term game, and if you're willing to be patient and you're willing to play the long-term game, I can guarantee you generational wealth, all right? So go to multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll be happy to help you and guide you on this journey. I'm 10 properties in now. I have 27 doors, and this route is working. This route to freedom is working, and I would love to free you so that you could actually live free, literally live free. I've never made a mortgage payment in my entire life, ever, because my tenants pay them, all right? I want that for you. I know it's possible. So go to multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll see you there. Peace.